Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2005 Chevy TrailBlazer. The Chevy TrailBlazer is among the best of the truck-based midsize SUVs. It's capable of hauling heavy loads or negotiating rugged off-road terrain. Yet it's also smooth, comfortable, and civilized. And is priced below $5,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, heated seats, moonroof, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.